Alright, today I'm going to be doing a video on this 32-inch light bar from OEDRO. We got here the wiring harness and the light bar. And then some book deal here from the company. We're putting it on this 2010 Ford. Got to fab up some brackets and then we'll get to it. So everyone's situation is going to be different depending on how you're mounting it. Right here we have some 1-inch square tubing that we cut up, and this is going to sit right there, and the light bar will mount onto that. And all we did to make it fit was just cut little angles out.
Here it is. Plug and play. Solid.
Alright, now all left to do is just run this wiring, which is a piece of cake. Okay, so most of the wiring is ran. We have the relay sitting over here off to the side. You want to make sure it's clear of any heat because then the light bar may start to flicker. Power and ground are right here. Just connect those to the battery when it's ready. And then over here is where you connect the light bar to the harness. We just have it twisted up. We're gonna electrical tape that up. And we're at this part over here where we have to get into the cab to put the light switch. So the wiring that goes to the switch was ran through this grommet right here. And that grommet goes straight to there. If you can see that. That's the wiring right there. Switch connects right there. And then that wire gets ran through here. You can really mount that anywhere you want. This is just temporary. Okay, so we finally got the light bar installed. All the wiring's ran, tucked and all. This is the switch here. Let's go ahead and hit it on. Light turns green. And that's what we got. Off, on.
Nice.
Honestly, I'm pretty impressed for the price. It's extremely bright. You could even get more light output, but we got all this mesh blocking it up. But for what it's worth, I would highly recommend getting it.